Today is Saturday, as you can see, on to next two. We've stocked the house for the week. That's how I normally do it. So, guys, you can guess this is just two fish. This one is 4,000 1 kg. I just bought it in my street, and I bought this. This is 5 kg. I bought this for 22,500, and these two, I priced the two of them at the same time so I can get discount. The two of them is 25,000 naira. So this is going to serve us throughout this week. I'll make soup, stew, different things, and even have some remaining. Okay, so that's how we're using to make this too. This guy said that this meat will not take time. That is I think he said the male one. I'm taking that now. 10 seconds marriage. This and this, and together with this fish. Okay, see you later. When I be checking on the camera. Okay, guys, we are done washing. Ooh, pick that. See what Adeze did. See how she cut the chicken. Cut it like this. Look, one Adeze. Look, when Adeze cut room. Cut room. This is salt, powdered garlic, onion, and ginger. Look at it. Made by me. Made by Mua. This is Benny. I add the curry masala.
Someone uses curry masala. No water.
No water yet, so add water later. So this is pepper, onion. Let's see what you got. See how big this one is. Now look at the smaller ones. Don't you know that the smaller ones now will just scatter in the pot before this ones will get done. Please cut this thing too. The fish. This is me frying the chicken, okay? So I'm done frying the fish. Yeah, please boil water. Let's make food for baby. Baby can do. For you, started burning.